Hello and welcome. I'm Manududullah Romoli with the last name 308 and I will explain about family law in Mesir. In this video, we will learn important aspects of the Mesir legal system regarding family matters including marriage, divorce, and child custody. So, let's explore this important legal concept and understand how they impact the life of individuals and families in Mesir. Okay, I will explain the meaning of family law. The term family law comes from the translation of familierecht in Dutch or family law in English. Family law is a branch of law that regulates relationships between family members and covers various important aspects such as marriage, divorce, child custody, inheritance, and other related issues. The main aim of family law is to protect the rights and obligations of family members, as well as to create a clear framework for regulating relationships between individuals in the family context. Okay, now I'm explain about family law in Mesir. In Mesir, family law is significantly influenced by Islamic law, especially when it comes to marriage and divorce for Muslims. This law regulates various aspects of family life, from the marriage processes involving a guardian and dowry, to rules regarding divorce and child custody. In the Mesir context, family law seeks to create a balance between traditional values and the need to protect the rights of individuals, especially women and children. Thus, family law plays an important role in regulating and protecting relationships within the family, ensuring that the rights and obligations of each family member are maintained and respected. Articles governing family law in Mesir. The first is the issue of marriage age limit. In order to create lasting harmony in a household, Mesir Islamic law experts have stipulated the law on the minimum age of Article 99, paragraph 5 of 1931, that the age of marriage for men is at least 18 years and for women 16 years. And the second, the problem of marriage registration. Marriage registration is a very important issue in terms of marriage because many problems arise as a result of not recording marriage, such as the origin of children, inheritance, and maintenance. An ordinance was issued in 1880 concerning marriage registration of heirs. Then the Ordinance of 1897 in Article 31 and the Ordinance of 1921, which contains the provision of marriage certificates. The third is the issue of divorce before the court. The issue of divorce is regulated by the law of 1920 and the law of 1929. These two laws recognize a woman's right to request a divorce because the husband does not provide maintenance. This pairs for 1 year is imprisoned for 3 years with permanent legal force and can no longer serve mental maintenance. And then the fourth is inheritance issue. The regulation of inheritance is set out in the Mesir Code of Wills 1946, number 71, in Articles 76, 77, and 78. The 1946 Code of Will states that if a child dies first and leaves children behind, the grandchild succeeds his father, inheriting from his grandfather or grandmother by way of compulsory bequest of not more than 1/3 of the estate. So the conclusion is family law in Mesir shows that this system is a combination of Islamic legal principles and social norms that apply in society. Family law in Mesir regulates various important aspects of family life, including marriage, divorce, child custody, and inheritance. Family law in Mesir seeks to strike a balance between maintaining traditional values and protecting individual rights. This is very important, especially in the context of the protection of women and children, to ensure that they do not become victims of discrimination or violence within the family structure. Overall, family law in Mesir have a significant role in maintaining justice and prosperity in society. By regulating relationships between family members, this law contributes to social stability and the protection of individual rights, thus forming an important foundation for family life in Mesir.